So within the last week, we cleaned up some of the backend code to make it to structure it a little bit better. It's easier to work with. We moved some of the logic into the service files, and we added a service for success messages, a service for error handling messages, and added in some user-friendly messages. Not saying that they're great messages, but if you attempt to you can't trigger it in here. If you attempt to see, like we implemented these these green messages for success, and we implemented these little red toast messages for failures. And we saw that we also implemented these loaders. So I think I only signed in with Google on this one. So sign in with Google again. You have the success toast. And I think I spoke a little bit more about the language selector previously. I did enhance it a little bit more over the week. So now if you select a language, and currently we just have the two to choose from, it will update the menu. And if you log out, it will update the login screen, the sign up screen, and the menu will stay updated. Let's log back really quickly back in. I might need to work on translating the success messages and so forth. But on here, let's change this back to English. That might be a future feature, but I thought I'd implement it so we could use it later on. We also have this friend request proof of concept, and I believe I demoed this last time around, but the logic for this was also cleaned up. So you have a success toast if you want to accept or reject, and you have the spinner and the view profile. It doesn't show up over there, but it does show up in the console. So you get your data. It populates here. If you click on any of these view profiles, you'll get the profile data. It's just to show that basic functionality is working. So you could send a request and accept a request. It's not updating at the moment, but if I were to, navigate away and then back in, you see that these statuses were updated from rejected to accepted. So it is working, even though it's not updating right away. But this is a proof of concept. So when we identify where to put these components, we'll work out all the features and address any bugs that exist. Stop recording.